The best thing I ever did was study tech. There is a place for everyone. I'm Joseph Whyle. I'm a senior tech engineer at Sharesies, and I'm a Whitireia graduate. For me, my interest in IT began when I was quite young. I ended up working for a wee while and then decided that I would go and study IT. I always wanted to be in an industry where I had a job no matter what. IT is such a broad spectrum now. It's got so many different facets, so many different jobs that you can get into. I think IT is for anyone. The reason why I chose Whitireia was because the way I learnt was in a smaller classroom environment and more hands-on. They teach you a lot of the broad concepts within the IT world, and then what they do is they break that down, give you the practical knowledge you need to be able to do it. I have been able to work in some awesome places, and namely Sharesies. Part of my role is supporting all of our employees by providing them the technology that they need on a day-to-day basis. I may not be a programmer, but I get to be involved in the amazing stories of some amazing companies. It's such a great place to be in.